Hello and welcome to the today's session. Today we are going to see the MCQs based on pericyclic reactions. So first example is this diene is treated thermally. So this is 4n plus 2 thermal, and that is going to give you the second compound. Now this is electrocyclic ring closure. Okay. Similarly, the second example, this triene is treated thermally. Now what you have to look at is the hydrogens. Now these hydrogens are trans, so 4n plus 2 thermal is disrotatory, trans becomes cis. This is trans, cis, cis, so this is correct. So trans, dis, cis, that is how you have to remember. Third one is electrocyclic ring closure. Now this is 4n plus 2 photochemical. This is going to be conrotatory ring closure. In con, the 4n plus 2, I'll put 4n thermal con photochemical, dis 4n plus 2 thermal dis, this is con. Okay. So trans, con, trans. So this is how you have to remember. If you know the rules, then it is easy. So 4n thermal con 4n plus 2 thermal is going to be this photochemical has to be con. So accordingly you have to put the structures. Now this is going to be 6-membered ring, and only the stereochemistry of methyl has to be mentioned there. Now here this is classical Diels-Alder reaction. So I will just put the intermediate here, OMe, which on hydrolysis becomes OH, which tautomerizes to ketone. So I am just putting the arrows here. So this is the second option is correct. You are going to get ketone, and then remaining options are incorrect by default. So that is your classical Diels-Alder reaction, and hydrolysis is inbuilt there. Next is the Pauline is treated with tetracyanoethylene, and a product is given. You have to find out what type of reaction it is. It is 8 plus 2, because I will just put tetracyanoethylene here. Or you can show it the other way around also. So all these 8 electrons are involved, that much you can see. No need to show mechanism here. So you can show it this way also, like this is attacking here, this will move here, this will move here, and that comes here. So the product is given, so it is 8 plus 2, because all 8 pi electrons are involved and the tetracyanoethylene pi electrons are. This is cycloaddition reaction. The next one is the substituted butadiene is treated with this dienophile, and under thermal condition we are expecting the cycloaddition to take place. Regarding the stereochemistry of the alkyl group, now this part is going to be common everywhere because this is going to remain as it is. Only the alkyl groups R and R dash, the outward group will be alpha, inner group will be beta. So accordingly the first option is correct. Now this is outward group, this will remain alpha, this will remain beta, that much you have to remember. So the first option is correct, the second, third incorrect, and last one is out of question. Now here also the inward group is beta and this is going to be alpha. So option C is going to be correct. This is not because anyway you are not going to get double bond at the end of reaction, because when the cycloaddition occurs, OMe here, so N COOET, so cycloaddition can give you, this is going to be OMe, this is going to be OMe, N because N is there, COOET, and of course the double bond has to be there, double bond is missing. So this is going to be the correct answer. Okay. Next one is this trichloro compound, acetyl chloride, a substituted one. Triethylamine is first, you get intermediate A, and then it is treated with another alkene. So let me put it this way, ClCl, COCl. Base whatever is given over there, so it will get the chloroketene, and this should interact with your alkene. So let me put it this way, CCOClCl, and here it will be pH NPH 2 plus 2 carbonyl NPH pH ClCl. So option 2 looks okay. Yes, initially this ketene is formed. So once ketene is formed, then only the next cycloaddition, that is 2 plus 2 cycloaddition can occur. Carbonyl remains away. So these two double bonds interact and you get the cyclobutanone derivative, keeping the other entities as it is. So that is the 8th example. Now next one is this aryl allyl ether. 1 2 3 1 2 3 thermal, this is 3 3 sigma tropic Claisen. So okay, next step, the tautomerism occurs. Which this is your classical Claisen reaction, in which the phenyl aryl ether or aryl allyl ethers undergo 3 sigma tropic rearrangement to form a mixture of ortho and para. If ortho positions are blocked here, then you will get para as a major product. If not, ortho will be the major product. One more example is there, so let us do that also. Photochemical, because this is 2 plus 2 cycloaddition once again, and various products are given, but I am going to put the correct product. The options, you may get options there. CO2 Ma, CO2 Ma. This is going to be correct. Our 2 plus 2 photochemical will be supra. So naturally this will be cis. These two will also remain cis in the addition. So this is 2 plus 2 cycloaddition reaction, and supra means cis group will remain cis at the end, and that is how the addition takes place. So these are some of the 10 questions. Once again I will put another set which will take care of sigma tropic, cycloaddition and Diels-Alder reactions. Of course some theory based questions are also expected, but I am just putting the MCQs, not dealing with the theory part. But the important things, you have to remember certain empirical rules also while solving the questions. So I will be revising few things, not all, but that will be helpful for your objective exams in future. Okay. Thank you very much.